walk through the shadows long and wide. My heart was heavy, my tears wouldn't hide. The road was cracked, the sky turned gray, but I kept moving, step by step each day.
I found peace in Jesus, a light so bright. He held me close through the darkest night. When storms would rage and hope was thin, I found peace in Jesus, deep within.
The whispers came like a calming breeze, a voice that soothed, put my soul at ease. I'd been searching, lost and blind, but His love found me, one of a kind. Oh,
I stumbled,
I fell,
but He lifted me as well. I found peace in Jesus, a light so bright. He held me close through the darkest night. When storms would rage and hope was thin, I found peace in Jesus, deep within. Not in riches, not in fame, not in fleeting earthly names, but in His arms I found my rest. With His grace I'm truly blessed. I found peace in Jesus. Deep within, not in terror. When storms would rage and hope was thin, I found peace in Jesus, deep within. I found peace in Jesus, a light so bright. He held me close through the darkest night. When storms would rage and hope was thin, I found peace in Jesus, deep within.